Jatendra Mukherjee, famously known as Bagha Jatin or the Bengal Tiger, was a revolutionary leader of the Indian freedom struggle. Born on December 7, 1879, in Koshtia, Bengal, now in Bangladesh, he earned the title Bagha Jatin for his extraordinary bravery in killing a tiger unarmed. Associated with revolutionary groups like Anusihal Samiti and Yugantar, he played a pivotal role in organizing armed resistance against British rule and inspiring Indian youth toward patriotism and sacrifice. Despite his efforts, he succumbed to injuries sustained in a clash with British police in Balasore in 1915, dying as a martyr for India's independence. His life remains as a symbol of courage, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication to the nation's freedom. The Battle of Longewala, a pivotal conflict of the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, concluded on December 7, 1971, in the Thar Desert of Rajasthan. From 4th to 7th, a small Indian contingent of 120 soldiers, led by Major Kuldeep Singh, held their ground against a much larger Pakistani forces of 2,000 soldiers and 40 tanks, displaying exceptional courage and determination despite limited sources. The Indian soldiers thwarted Pakistan's plan with the crucial support of the Indian Air Force, which destroyed numerous enemy tanks. This decisive victory not only dealt a significant blow to Pakistan but also solidified India's position in the war. The Battle of Longewala stands as testament to India's military valor and strategic prowess. The 1997 film Border, featuring Sunny Deol as Manoj Kuldeep Singh, was based on this historic event. Armed Forces Flag Day, observed annually on December 7th in India, honors the bravery, sacrifice, and contribution of the nation's soldiers. It serves as a day of gratitude towards soldiers and their families who have sacrificed for the country's safety. The day also focuses on raising funds for the rehabilitation of soldiers, support for war-injured personnel, and assistance to their dependents. It is a reminder of the armed forces' dedication not only in defending the nation at its border but also in responding to disasters and emergencies. On December 7, 1972, NASA launched Apollo 17, the final and most ambitious mission of the Apollo program, from Kennedy Space Center in Florida using a Saturn V rocket. The crew included Eugenia Karanan, Ronald Evans, and Harrison Smith. Smith, the first scientist to land on the moon, was also the last person from the Apollo program to walk on its surface. The mission collected 110 kilograms of lunar rock and soil samples and captured the iconic blue marble photograph, a complete image of Earth. Apollo 17 marked the end of human lunar exploration, with no one returning to the moon since. On December 7, 1941, Japan launched a massive air assault on the Pearl Harbor Naval Base in Hawaii, marking a pivotal moment in World War II. The attack aimed to cripple America's Pacific Fleet and involved 353 Japanese fighter and torpedo planes. The US suffered significant losses, including 8 battleships, 3 cruisers, and 4 destroyers, and 188 aircraft. In response, President Franklin Roosevelt addressed Congress on December 8, 1941, declaring war on Japan. This day of infamy not only intensified the Pacific conflict but also reshaped the global dynamics of World War II. On December 7, 1966, NASA successfully launched the ATS-1 satellite. Designed to test advancement in communications and meteorology, it was the first satellite to operate successfully in a geostationary orbit. Revolutionizing satellite communications, ATS-1 contributed significantly to weather forecasting by collecting atmospheric data and demonstrated the ability to transmit long-distance radio and television signals. This success laid a strong foundation for NASA's future weather and communication satellite missions. On December 7, 1982, Charles Brooks Jr. became the first person in the United States to be executed by lethal injection in Texas. Previously, executions in the US primarily used hanging, the gas chamber, or the electric chair. Convicted of murder in 1976, Brooks' case sparked debate about execution methods. Lethal injection was introduced as a more human and less painful alternative, leading to its widespread adoption in the US and other countries. However, it also ignited ethical and legal controversies surrounding capital punishment.